Hey, what's up? I see a lot of people making films with their smartphones recently, which is a great thing. But unfortunately, I see also a lot of people making mistakes while filming with their smartphones. For all those who don't know me yet, I'm Peter. I've been a professional video producer over the last 20 years, and I love how technology has made filmmaking so much more accessible. And I would like to share a couple of my secrets with you to make you a better filmmaker. So let's dive in right away with the 5 biggest mistakes filmmakers are making when they're filming with their smartphone. Mistake number 1, shaky footage. Nobody wants anymore to have this wobbly footage which is shaking left and right. Make sure that your footage is really smooth and stabilized. Like this, it becomes an eye candy for everyone. If you want to become a great filmmaker with your smartphone, then don't hesitate to sign up for my masterclass, which is coming up very soon under media65.lu/smartphone. There are a couple of seats which are left, but hurry up actually to register, maybe the last place which is available as soon as you can. Mistake number 2, bad sound. If you're recording just like I do now on my smartphone, inevitably your sound will sound like from a garbage can, and it will decrease the whole quality of your film. Better invest in a good microphone, which is not necessarily very expensive anymore, that connects directly to your smartphone, and it will dramatically increase the quality of your whole film. Mistake number 3, over or underexposure. You need to make sure that your footage is always correctly exposed. Especially overexposure cannot be really corrected anymore in post-production. If you have parts of your footage which is burned, the highlights, then you will not be able to correct it, and it will look very, very amateur-like. You can, to a certain degree, correct underexposed footage, but still, the best idea is always to have a look at your histogram while you're filming to avoid both underexposure and overexposure. Mistake number 4, bad white balance. If your shots are not aligned and you have different white balances throughout the different shots, then this will look inevitably also very amateur-like. So the best is to always have a look at your white balance right from the beginning when you're shooting, so that you know that your images are more or less correctly aligned. And last but not least, mistake number 5, bad lighting. You need to make sure that all your shots are well lit. Be it the sun, be it some window which is illuminating your shot, or maybe also some light that you have, or maybe you would like to invest also in some cheap but good LED lights as well for your shootings. And don't forget, please, also to sign up for my masterclass, which is coming up very soon under media65.lu/smartphone. There are only a few places left, and hopefully you're going to catch one of these last places, so hurry up! So that's it for the biggest 5 mistakes that people are doing when they're filming with their smartphone.